There we go.
Okay, what is up? This is... I forgot my name. Beanie. I can't say that with a straight face. This is Beanie. Pride's gone. Coming at you with an unboxing.
Just open the dang.
Alright, we're gonna have to have our editor's gonna have to put a lot of dank edits in everywhere to make this looks cool. Like right here, I want to be holding something right there.
Yeah, he's holding
Something
something.
has to be dancing.
Hope Tyler can edit. He got a Switch!
Slowly open. Yes, I'm very, very happy about this. It's gonna be like upside. This is upside down. Let's not do that.
Landon, you're supposed to be a professional.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, there it is. It's in all of its glory.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's
And it looks like an electronic.
I just like drop it and it just breaks into like 3 different pieces.
Yeah.
Crud. Should have bought the warranty.
Oh,
It
whoops.
comes with an HDMI cable.
Dude, isn't that a Nintendo?
Power cable. Oh my god.
We got the dock.
Oh, that's what this is. Yes.
It's a sandwich.
It's a lot. It's an ice cream sandwich. Everybody. Here it is.
And it does come with a.
It does. Yeah, it does come with the controller and the 2 little things. So that's convenient. They used to be like curved, like they curve out.
Yeah.
That was weird. Oh.
Dude, this is a quality unboxing.
Yeah, quality. Now to read the instructions manual.
And you know, I'm not. All right.
This is quality content.
This is quality content.
I like what's going on.
All right, everybody.
Dude, it's the Switch itself. Don't drop it.
I'm not trying to. You're making me nervous.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Stop.
Don't drop it.
Take the Switch. Don't drop it.
Wow.
Jeez.
What'd you get?
Cons.
Oh, nice. Dude, those are quality.
Yep. Yeah.
Rambo it.
We're losing viewers. We're losing viewers.
Thousands of people have clicked off to the next clickbait Allie video. I'd like to thank my 1 subscriber.
Thank you so much,
Thanks to everyone
Diego
who supports me.
Migtiso,
Okay, what else?
For-
Good.
for
Thank you
subscribe.
for donating 5 cents to my GoFundMe. Alright.
Well, hot dog, that was a good unboxing.
Yeah.
Wait, we're not done. Oh, there we go. Dude, HDMI cable.
Nothing else to unbox. This is the most unprofessional unboxing in the world. This is pathetic of us.
Yeah.
Me.
This is gonna be the worst video and probably the first on our channel. Oh, we need to do a channel trailer as well. Shoot, why am I saying this in the video?
Shoot.
They
Edit
know.
that out.
They
Getting
know.
that
He's
promo.
not gonna edit that out, is he?
Tyler, edit this out. Put it here.
Who
Look.
is elusive?
It's like
Tyler is.
there.
You have to rip it open? That's a
Yeah.
bit brutal.
Landon! $300.
Okay, just everybody calm down. Breathe. Breathing is important. There we go. Problem solved. Why are you just videoing me plugging this?
Because this is how quality content is made.
Not how quality content is made.
Landon struggling.
Ah!
Oh my
Take the Switch out.
Take
Oh, it has a screen. Hold it. Playing music. Everybody quiet. All right, guys.
Pick English.
Portuguese. Stuck. The Americas. Japan. The Americas. Edit that out.
Tyler, edit this entire video out.
Where's the plus?
Oh god.
$300.
Stop. What? Why does it want to know where I live?
Is it Denver?
Bogota. Alright, guys, we're going with Kalthamadu. Hold and release button on back controller and slide it. Oh, that seems dangerous.
Oh.
Don't break it. $300.
I'm literally gonna set it down on this
$300.
cushion.
$300.
Stop. Wait, hold and release. Okay, there's 1. Okay.
Bomb defused.
This is so stressful. Okay. We're going to very carefully, strategically place this right here. And then we're going to take this and use the controllers in this because I'm too lazy to do otherwise. Okay. Next. Plug it to disconnect it. What? Ugh.
Videos
Wait, it's better than
boys not knowing how technology.
Okay, quiet. No, it's everything's breaking them.
Landon, $300. Connected TV. Is it gonna do it?
Is it? It probably isn't.
Come on. Yes?
Yes! What if this is permanent? You'd never change this.
You should do
That's pretty
Never
good.
change it. I would want it to be this, and then the background would be like
Black.
black.
Oh, you're so cool.
Emo!
Oh, yeah.
Emo account. System update. I just got it.
Guys, it's set up.
All right.
You told me
System
to
settings.
go
I need
see
to
if
update. You know, this is the one part we don't edit out. It updating just constantly.
Uh,
I don't have to change it.
here, I'll make...
Buffering.
Change it.
Update. Oh wow.
Wow.
In 3 seconds. That was quick.
Insert a game card.
Wait.
Zelda!
No.
Did he do it?
Oh, okay.
Did he
It
do it?
successfully linked it. The launch of a paid version in September. Where's my phone?
I have it.
Quality shot right
Oh
here.
my gosh. I hate this. Like, here's your verification code. Psych! It isn't gonna work. Oh, here it is.
Did he
Okay.
do it?
I think so. I'm gonna have
Would
to-
you stinking put in the Legend of Zelda card now?
No, not yet. Please scratch off gently with coin. We must follow the instructions. Aha. Random stacks of coins. I won the lottery! Nightmare.
I'm really curious. I wonder if he can make this into a good video.
No,
You can't edit in good content, am I right, boys?
Oh, I did it wrong.
He did it. Wow. That was fantastic.
I don't know how to open this properly. You're stressing me out. Now I'm sweating again. Oh, just a glowing coming out. Imagine 5 minutes. Okay,
You didn't let me
so
zoom
we're gonna
in.
wait. We're gonna have like an end card for this, right? We aren't gonna like finish this today.
Probably.